叶公好龙. It means one's action utterly contradicts his words. Ye is a noun here used as a last name, a surname. Gong is a noun used to address a man in a respectful way. Hao is a transitive verb meaning like. Long is a noun meaning dragon, a Chinese dragon. This idiom is used to describe someone whose action utterly contradicts his words, particularly high-sounding and lofty words, by extension to describe people who are duplicitous, hypocritical, two-faced, and deceitful. This idiom is from a story about a man called Ye Gong, who was known as a passionate dragon lover, for he loved the dragons so much that his house was full of decorations that had dragons either painted or engraved on them. Even the house columns were beautifully carved with dragons. They looked so vivid, as if they had been real dragons and ready to come off alive at any moment. Ye Gong was proud of his fame, but it never occurred to him that his highlighted obsession would bring him a huge surprise one day. The words having been spread to heaven, a real dragon heard them and wanted to pay Ye Gong a visit. While approaching Ye Gong's house, the dragon realized that his gigantic size would ruin the house and the surrounding yards. So it shrank itself to a much smaller size and landed in Ye Gong's front yard, with its head resting on the windowsill and its tail in the backyard. The dragon expected to receive an exceptionally warm welcome, but Ye Gong's reaction struck it as staggeringly disappointing, because at the sight of the dragon, Ye Gong let out a cry, fleeing in panic. Did Ye Gong really like the dragon? Apparently not, although he vigorously claimed that he did. This idiom is mostly used as a noun. Let's take a look at the following example. Xiao Ming's new neighbor, Li Jian, told him that he loved the dogs so much that there were images of dogs everywhere in his house. Which was so true. His passion for dogs was visually demonstrated by almost everything: the sofa fabric and the matching cushions, the bed sheet and the cover, the pillowcases, the curtains, the numerous framed pictures and photos of different sizes on the wall, even the coffee cups. You name it. Oh, I don't know. I just have an extraordinarily loving heart towards such adorable creatures, said Li Jian. So touched by his love, Xiao Ming decided to give him a pleasant surprise. The following day, Xiao Ming went to visit his new neighbor with his German Shepherd. But to his dismay, upon seeing the dog, Li Jian screamed like a maniac, slamming the door shut right to Xiao Ming's face. Stunned by such totally unexpected reaction, Xiao Ming shook his head, saying, 这个人真是典型的叶公好龙 which means this guy is really so typical of 叶公好龙